resize apps into windows. If I previously resized apps, when I open them again, they open back in the exact same size and position, and I can place them just where I want them. This is designed to work great with touch or with a
This is
trackpad.
good. I'm liking the
And
iPad
now I
OS.
also have a pointer that's more precise and responsive. When I use it to hover over these new buttons in the top left, they expand into familiar controls. I can use these to close or minimize my
Hi,
windows.
Abel. How are
And a
you?
tap on their app icon brings them right back. Another way I can arrange my windows is with tiling. Since this is designed for the unique qualities of iPad, I can simply flick windows towards the edges to
Flick
tile.
Windows. Wow.
It's so fluid and makes arranging my windows super easy. There's even a
Good
little
on
grabber
you.
here
I'm
to
okay.
resize
Not too
both
bad.
at the
Thanks
same
for
time.
asking.
If I click and hold on my window controls, I'll see even more tiling options. Let's choose corners. With this re-architected windowing
Your
system,
X
I also
handle?
have the
I'm
power
not
to
on
open
X.
even
I
more
mean,
windows.
technically, I've installed X,
And
but
if I need
I'm
an
not
app that's not in
using.
my dock, I
So
can
I'm not
simply
on any
swipe home to
social
keep it in my
media
home
for
screen.
now.
Tapping an app opens it, along with all my previous windows. To quickly see all my open windows, I now have Expose. With a swipe up from the bottom and hold, my windows spread out, and a tap brings the one I need to the front. If I need to make space or focus in on one app, I just swipe home, and another swipe up minimizes everything. So now when I
Damn.
open an app, it opens by itself, and I can start fresh, making it easy to
I
always
feel
get back
social
to the distinct
media
simplicity of iPad.
is not good for mental health
Sometimes
and
you need a way to see and
your
access all the
time.
features of an app.
You
So we're
invest
also
your
adding a
time in
menu
wrong
bar on iPad.
places.
It's always available from the top of the screen. It's arranged to be familiar with
But
clear,
sometimes it
labeled
is helpful if
options.
your business is
And
around
it's a
social
great way to
media,
find the features you need.
so you have to use it.
And that's
But
a
my
quick look at the
business is
menu
not
bar
around
and how
social
windowing
media,
works in
and I don't have
iPadOS
any business
26.
as such.
Back
So
to you,
probably
Greg.
in future, I'll definitely let you know.
Wow. More windows, a pointier pointer, and a menu bar? Who would have thought? We've truly pulled off a mind-blowing release.
Yeah, very
And this
true.
isn't just great on
I'm
iPad Pro and
I'm
iPad Air.
interested to
The
see
new open
iPad
architecture has
OS.
enabled us to bring it to every iPad that runs iPadOS 26, including iPad and iPad mini. It also works great with Stage Manager and on external displays. It's a massive update to the way you work with multiple apps at once on iPad. Now, to tell you about some other updates, here's Tona. Let's talk about files. When you're working on more complex projects, like creating a website, editing a lot of photos, or designing a presentation, you're often handling lots of files across lots of apps. To make this easier, we have a set of enhancements for managing, accessing, and editing your files. First up, we're supercharging the
Don't you
files.
have a FOMO?
It now
Like
includes
you might be
features
missing
like an
out
updated list view
something, just
to
want
see
to
more details
know your
in
thought
resizable
process.
columns and colors.
Nope. I my thoughts are super powerful. So for example, I was not aware about this event, okay? But I was curious searching something on ChatGPT, and from that I got some link, and from that I got to know, oh, maybe today is WWDC, okay, Apple event. And see, this is what is happening currently in my phone. Um, so yeah, you should search. If you have social media, you are relying on data which is which is given to you, which is thrown to you. You are fed with those data. But instead, your brain should be able to think and search new things. You know, if you don't search, you're not able to think. You are just a machine. You're basically a neural, okay? You know about neural science, right? Neural network, machine learning AI, you are just a neural who are fed with data. Xfeed is actually a feed which is designed to feed you, your brain. But let's say I want to search something. I will use my brain. Okay, probably I'm interested in this topic. Let me go. From that link, let me go to another link. From that link, let me go to another link. That's how I'll keep creating my own chain of thoughts, and that's how I'll be able to get updates what's happening around.